Hey guys, how you going? It's been a while. I haven't been uploading any stuff online. I don't know why, because maybe I'm busy. And yeah, I just turned 40 plus last Monday. Yeah, I'm turning old. Anyway, I just want to say hi to you guys. And yeah, it's been a while. I haven't been talking. I'm just trying to test out this setup that I have right now. I'm not going to elaborate, just testing this footage I have right now. And I hope it's good. But I just want to say hi to you all guys. And yeah. It looks like I'm going to sing a song or something, but I'm not really a singer. But I have this microphone here because I haven't set up any microphone. I'm so lazy, but this should be good. Anyway, I'm really tired. I still have a lot of things to finish for my uni, and I have a shoot tomorrow. So yeah, we're fucked up. Anyway, I just want to say hi to you guys. And also, I made another channel. If you can search Drive Diaries, I made another channel. It's mainly just DJI Osmo while I'm driving, and I'm filming wherever I go. Sometimes there are no words, just music, and sometimes I say something like I do a driving vlog and I talk my blabber. I always blabber. But yeah, so that's it, and just want to say hi, guys. Yeah, nothing else. Bye. It's gonna be a while. I'll be back because I'm really very busy, but it's nice to see all of them. Yeah, I think so. Okay, bye. Okay, and also I'm trying out S-Log for filming. Just something else that I'm trying now. I'm doing S-Log, and I don't know how it's gonna look. This is S-Log. I think it's not so bright. Let me just try to. That should be it. I can't see. Yes, +7. So yeah, I'm just trying out other stuff and everything else with filming, but I haven't been doing. I'm not done. I haven't had good sleep. Yeah, I'm a blabber. But anyway. Now this is the current thing. Earlier we had S Sinutone, so let's see how this goes. And yeah, that's it. I haven't prepared anything. I just want to see you guys and just say something and blabber.